YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy Sauce Boss back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Okay then, you know it's about Christmas time. This is the season to keep on giving. So Sauce Boss is giving you this gift that's gonna keep on giving of this knowledge and this sauce. It's just gonna keep on giving all year round, 365 days of the year, 7 days a week, all the time. It's gonna keep on giving. Once I give you this, you got it forever. I can give you the fish and you can eat for a day. I can teach you a fish and you can eat forever. That's what I want you to do. So today's project, man, it's winter time now. Everybody still want to be fly when they're going out. I'm doing a turtleneck today, and I'm gonna show you how you can make a turtleneck, man. It's really quick, really easy. And just rock with me, and we gonna go through all the steps of how to put this turtleneck together so you can have something unique that's made by you and nobody else has it. So when you out, they're gonna be like, dang, they looking real fly in that turtleneck. Where they get it from? They can't find it. So they're gonna have to ask you where you got it from, and you're gonna say, I did it. Or you can say, Sauce Boss did it. Whatever you prefer, but I like the second option better. So let's get over to the table of greatness and make some greatness happen. Let's go. Okay, so we at the table of greatness. I got everything laid out that I'm gonna actually just need for this turtleneck. You're just gonna actually need, you need your fabric, you need your thread, you need your sewing machine, and you need your serger. If you don't have a serger, let's go back to the sewing machine, and we're gonna just use the zigzag stitch on the sewing machine. The turtleneck is only consisting of 5 different pieces: front, back, left, right sleeve, and the neck part. And that's it. And then we can put that together, and then, man, you'll be ready to go. So this is the fabric that I'm gonna use it. Make sure when you actually doing your turtleneck do have some stretch, and the fabric that you're using does. Your fabric that you're using is a stretchy fabric, either a 2-way or a 4-way. This one I'm using is a 4-way stretch, so it doesn't matter which way we cut it. But if you're using a 2-way stretch, you actually want to make sure that you're using it on the right cut side. So sorry about my mess I still got. I just finished the project, as you've seen, and now I'm back doing another one for you for Vlogmas. So let's keep this going. So now let's just get this pattern all cut out, and just rock with me and watch me and enjoy the music while I do this.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do roll new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid, now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick, keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my office legit.
So now that we got the body pieces and the sleeves cut out, what we want to do is actually make the neck for the turtleneck. Because if you don't have a neck, it ain't gonna be a turtleneck. So let's measure it out. So you'll have to measure out what size you want your turtleneck to be, the length and the width, according to the measurements that you took from your body. So I want mine to be an extra long turtleneck. So what I'm gonna do is, the measurements I'm gonna take is about, let me see. So we're looking at about 17 inches. So let's make sure it's all lined up on the registration mark so it could be a really good cut. That's how I like to do it. Okay, so Make sure. Okay. So now again, so I'm doing at least 17 inches long, right? But I'm gonna do maybe about 11 inches high with that. So with that, you want to mark, at least mark the placement before you actually cut. So let me just find my chalk and I'll be right back. So I got my chalk. I'm going to measure length and width. So we're going to actually go 17 across, right? We'll go 17 across. "17 across," and it's 17 inches across, 11 inches high. So we're just gonna mark right there, right? And what we want to do first, since it's 17, we want to just cut across, and then we're gonna cut down. So we'll just cut across. Then we'll move the ruler and we will cut down right where our mark is at. So I measured out about 10. But let's try that. I messed up. But yeah, I wanted 11, but I messed. I don't know. I wanted 11, but I got 10. So let's go with the 10. And what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna do it just like a cup. So what you're gonna do is just actually fold it on each other like that first, and then you're gonna sew it with a straight stitch, and then you'll fold it down, and then you'll fold it down, and I'll show you how it looks. Let me just fold it with the straight stitch, and I'm gonna be right back to show you. So now you got it folded over, and you got it sewn together like that. The next step you actually want to do with this is you want to just take the turtleneck and you want to fold it all the way down where it meets each other. Keep folding, keep pulling until it meet up all the way at the end like that. And then right from here, you will want to just give it another stitch all the way around so it can lock it together, because you're going to be attaching this part to the front and the back of the shirt. So that's what you want to do right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lock it in. Then I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then you'll get a good drift. Okay, let me just lock it in real quick. And it's all stitched at the bottom right there. You can see that's how the turtleneck looks. So now you can wear it up if you want to, or you can fold it down if you choose to. Is how you want to wear it and everything like that. This is how I like to make mine. So let's just finish attaching the rest of the body and sewing everything together, and then getting this all together, and I'm gonna show you what it looked like. All right. So right now, what I'm gonna show you is how you attach the sleeves to the body pieces. When you're attaching the sleeves to the body pieces and you want everything to look super seamless, like everything is flowing together, like, you know, you go to the department store, you look inside the shirts, you see how all the seams look like they are going the same direction and nothing is off. This is how you achieve that. So you will want to attach at the neck pieces right here by the shoulders. You want to sew them together as I already did right here. So now you got your back and you got your front. So you'll want to take your sleeve, your right and left sleeve, and you just want to sandwich them together. So you want both pieces, fabric size pieces, facing each other. So you'll want to pin this all the way around, all the way till you get to there. And then you'll be fine. And then you just sew with a straight stitch, and you come back around with another straight stitch or a serge, and then you'll be fine. But right now, you'll want to, like I said before, take your sleeve piece, fully opened, right? Fully opened. and you'll want to pin from this side all the way to that side. So what I'm going to do is pin it, and I'm going to show you how it should look, and I'll be right back with you so I could just show you. All right. Okay, so now as you can see, I pinned the sleeve all the way in. As you can see, it's all the way pinned in now. So all you got to do from this point is sew it in. Sew it in. That's it. And then you can come back along with a serge. I got both pinned in. We're going to go over to the sewing machine together, and I'm going to show you how I sew it in and how it looks. Simple and easy. And then after I do that, we'll just continue to attach the body pieces and fill this in and attach the neckline and attach the turtleneck. Then we'll be all done with this project. Okay, now everything is sewn and serged. As you can see, I serged everything so it can have really nice clean lines on the inside. You know, now this is an Exquisite Apparel original, so you checking it out. That velvet look real good, royalty. So this is a part of an outfit that I am making for myself for New Year. So this is one piece, and so I'm gonna be showing you everything that I do for these pieces of the outfit that I am doing for myself for my New Year's outfit. But no further ado, let's get back to this. Right? So now the last piece is you want to attach the turtleneck to the shirt. So you like, how do you attach the turtleneck to the shirt? Like, it's really hard, it looks really difficult. So what you'll have to do is, so your turtleneck is like this. You want to actually have your turtleneck upside down. So when your turtleneck is upside down, you want to just push the collar of the shirt up into the turtleneck like that. So now you'll have this raw edge piece and this raw edge piece, and what you want to do is just pin it all the way around and then sew it. So if you can see it right here, so now both raw edge pieces are touching each other, and you want them to look like that. And then what you'll do is pin and sew. So I'm going to pin it real quick, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to sew it and serge it, and then we'll be done. I'll show you the finished product. Okay then. Now as you can see, it's already pinned like that. So what you're going to want to do when you're actually sewing it together, you're going to want to actually stretch the fabric so everything meets and it's going to come back together. And you want the sewing machine on the longest stitch possible. So that's what you'll be doing. Just sewing and pulling all the way around. I'm going to sew it. Matter of fact, let's go to the sewing machine together. We can see how it's done. Let's go. So now the turtleneck is done. I'm going to show you what it looked like. I'm going to give you the big reveal at the end when all the project is done, because that's the first of 4 projects that I'm doing for the whole outfit. So let me show you. So this is what the turtleneck actually looked like. It looks super nice, super luxurious. Got a little fuzz on it, but we're going to clean that up anyway. But you know what I'm saying? This is what we're looking like, you know? It has the Exquisite Apparel logo in it, and it fits really, really wonderful. And I've been working out, so been getting that body right. So you know, I can get in this boy. I can get in this boy. But yeah, that's what it looked like. And if y'all love this kind of content, y'all love that, drop me a comment below. Let me know if that's a no, or did I steal the show with this turtleneck. And this is, like I said, this is one of 4 that I'm going to be doing, because I'm doing the turtleneck, I'm doing a vest, I'm doing some pants, and I'm doing a overcoat. So you'll be able to see all that in these upcoming videos for this. So man, stay tuned, stay locked in. I'm dropping them back to back to back, so you don't miss a beat. Okay? So man, I just want to say I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. And hey, to the next time, never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. To the next time, you know I'm out. Rah!